Hello, y'all. It's me, Shaunda, and welcome to Hair by Shaunda TV. Today, I am giving you guys what you asked for, and that is how to apply the net. Now, this is the type of netting that I use, just a mesh weaving net. It's only $1.99, so you don't have to worry about it breaking your pockets. It's just another add-in to your sew-in service. I use it on pretty much all of my sew-ins because I like to be able to place the hair where I want to place it. So this is the net that I'm using. There's two of them in the pack that I showed you. There's one with big holes and one with smaller holes. We're going to be using the one with smaller holes today because, as you can see, I have a lot of her hair left out. And her hair is super long. And I want to be able to have enough coverage because we're going to be putting 2 bundles of hair on her netting. She just wants it to be fuller, and she wants to kind of just have a protective style to put some of her hair up. So getting started, I had my needle and I'm getting ready to start threading. Now, you don't have to be super neat with this because no one's going to see it. You really want to just sew the net down. It doesn't have to be like spaced 2-3 inches apart or any kind of crazy measurements. It's really easier than some might think. I'm basically just going to go all the way around the perimeter, the very outside of the braids, and sew the net down. Now, I might do it a little bit different towards the top, and I'll show you once I get to that point. All right, now that I'm at the top, I want to show you how I sew it really close together. I wish I could zoom in a little bit closer, but in the back, I just sewed it down. You know, it wasn't really close together, but in the top, I sew very close together so that the net doesn't buckle once I get to the top and it doesn't slip, because from the tension from the sew-in in the back, it will cause it to pull down some. So I think this might be a little bit better. See, I'm not going through each hole in the net that close together, but just close together, like about a centimeter or a half centimeter, but just very close together. And see how I'm folding it over, because I want it to be tight. I want it to hug around the circumference of her head. I want it to curve around her head. So even if you have to bend and fold that net towards the outside, do it. You want it to be sewed down very tight. So now I'm on the other side, and now you can see better than what I showed you on the other side. But it's simple. I just go on at the very front of each braid and try to sew it as close as I can to the very front, so that when I do the sew-in, I can carry that track all the way to the front. And this is it. Like, it doesn't even take long. Now I'm going to cut off this right here. I'm going to cut off the excess netting, and I save mine. I don't throw it away because you never know. You might need a little piece. So I use my fingers to kind of guide along the way so I won't cut any of her hair. You don't want to cut your client's hair because they will be mad at you. So yeah, just, cut it all off. Try not to cut the thread because you're going to be mad when you got to go ahead and sew that part down all over again. So be very careful. Take your time. There we go. So, putting this away. because I saved mine just in case if someone's head is a little bit bigger and I need to use another piece of netting for their head. Because that does happen. So now we're done. And just to show you, this girl got a lot of hair, y'all. She has so much hair. Like, her real hair is the same length as her weave. Unbelievable. So yeah, so I would be able to sew a track right there where those parts are. Whereas if you didn't use a net, you wouldn't be able to sew a track right there. So you can add more fullness. It's protecting the braids for like when she brushes her hair, and it won't snag or pull on her real hair. So that's it, y'all. I hope that you learned something from this. If not, let me know. You know, I'll make another video. I don't have a problem with doing that. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And give this video a thumbs up for me, please. Now look at her hair. It is so long. See how neat that stays up? Look at that. All this hair. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.